Okay, we're looking at a King Canada bandsaw. We're going to go through some of the modifications that I have made to the saw. And that's what we're looking at. This is an automatic oiler tank, which I've added. And my blades last longer than a year now. That didn't, or rather wasn't, the case before we installed this. Now it is just a hollow rectangular tube with metal blocks at each end. And this end is drilled and tapped for, first of all, an air inlet so that the oil will flow freely out of it. This is the cap for the fill, and when we raise this up, all you have to do is fill that from a squeeze bottle and your tank will be full. This is the oil outlet tube. Comes down here, down to the regulatory valve here, which is just a drip valve for an irrigation system. They're a few dollars at the hardware store. They're not expensive, come usually in a package of 2. And then down to the blade where we have a slit in the tube, and one side of the tube is over here and the other side is on the other side of the blade, providing oil to both sides of the blade. One of the other things I did was replace the set screw with a handle. Makes it a lot easier. You don't have to go around looking for the Allen wrench when you want to change the setting on that. We've also added a handle or a knob in here so that we don't have to get a wrench for that either. It's easily adjustable. Now there are many more modifications to this bandsaw, and we'll try and go through those in another video. So don't forget to click on the subscribe button, and we'll go through those probably in a few days. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to be notified about other modifications, click on the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.